Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from Score Beyond. I'm going to cut to the chase because I want to show you how quickly you can solve a question like this in the writing and language section of the new SAT. As you can see, this question is asking us to look at a piece of the passage, or in this case a highlighted text, and see if there's something right or wrong with it, as you can guess by looking at the answer choices. So let's go to the passage, take a look, see if there's anything wrong. The highlighted text happens to be are, which is a verb. Anytime you see a verb on the SAT, you should look for its subject. This part of the passage is a little tricky because it has these em dashes right here and just before the verb are right there. These em dashes are kind of like big parentheses, so everything that's inside them you can count as unessential information, not part of the main sentence. And you're not going to find the subject for the verb are there. So let's look before that first em dash. For too many of our students, however, global competency are not always easy to obtain. Okay, when we ignore all that unessential information set aside by the em dashes, we can see that the subject is competency, and it didn't really sound right, right? Competency is singular, are is plural, like they are. In this case, we would need competency is. Competency is not always easy to obtain. Great! So we did see something wrong. Let's go to the answer choices. In the answer choices, we can automatically get rid of A because we need a different word than are. Is answer B. Looks pretty good, but let's eliminate the others if we can. Was is singular, but it's in the past tense, and we weren't really talking about the past tense, so we can get rid of C. Were, also in the past tense, but it's also plural, so we can get rid of D, and we're left with B, which is. So there you go, subject verb. They test that a lot on the SAT, and it could be a lot more complicated than it actually is. Only if you make it that way. Try to isolate the subject and the verb and ignore everything else, and you'll be golden on questions just like this one. If you'd like to work with a tutor on improving at questions using verbs, subjects, or anything else in the writing section of the new SAT, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen, or if you're seeing this in the blog, scroll to the bottom and click on the tutoring banner at the bottom of the screen. See you next time.